Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Free Internship and Courses program. In this video, we are going to learn Amazon is providing the Amazon SDE Internship 2027. This is a 6-month paid internship. You can apply now for the software engineer. There is a 20 to 26 weeks and multiple locations: Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Pune, and graduation year is 2026, and the paid internship is there. So Amazon has officially opened the application for the Software Development Engineer SDE1 Internship 2027 for the student graduating in year 2027. So this is a 6-month full-time software development internship where the selected candidates will work directly with the experienced Amazon software development engineer SDEs and mentors and manager in the real world project and impact millions of Amazon customer worldwide. This internship offers the opportunity to contribute to cutting edge technology involving a distributed system, cloud computing, data structure, algorithm, automation, scalability, security, data mining, storage system, AWS optimization, and software engineering. Intern will design, develop, and test and deploy production quality software and collaborating in Amazon Agile development environment. So location is the Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, and other Amazon India location. Internship duration is 24 to 26 weeks, that is 6 months, and this will start on Jan to June 2027, full time, 40 hours and per week. Eligibility criteria is the very important. So you have a B.Tech, M.Tech, MS, and relevant computer science degree. Graduation year will be 2027. Strong knowledge of data structure, algorithm, operating system, object-oriented programming, OOPS, and complexity analysis. Programming and languages are C, C++, Java, Python, and Perl. Preferred skill is there. Previous internship experience is the relational databases, distributed system, multi-tier application, optimization, mathematics, problem solving, and communication skill. So this is the one of the best software engineering internship opportunity on 2027 for the student looking to begin their career with Amazon. And officially link is this one. We'll go through this link and subscribe for the latest internship, placement, government job, certification courses, free vouchers, and career opportunities from Chirag Mahto official. So let me open this link. When we'll open this link, so this is the SD1 intern, Amazon University talent, and job ID is this one, and this is ADCI Karnataka. So there's the apply button, and main thing is this one. Amazon never ask a fee and deposit of any of the during recruitment process. Please click to learn more and safeguard yourself from the potential fraud. So they are not asking any money or any deposit, any amount for that. So don't pay anyone who is going to be contact with you. So this is a description of this one. 6-month internship 2027 in person means you have to stay there, not virtual. And these are the location. So job locations are these are, and duration and timeline. So already we have discussed. Key responsibilities also we have discussed. So collaborate with the experienced cross-disciplinary Amazoners to convey, design, and bring innovative product and serve to market. So basic qualification is this, and preferred qualification, previously technical internship, and experience with the distributed multi-system algorithm, relational databases, experience optimization mathematics such as the linear programming and non-linear optimization, effectively articulate technical challenges and solution. So these are the all the details you can find. So you can go with the now apply now button. When you click on the apply now, you have a login page. You have to log in first, then only you can go through the next. So you have account with the Google, account with Apple, and login with the and LinkedIn also. So you can one of this account you can use and you can log in. You don't have the account, so you can create an account with this Amazon job, and you can provide the all the details and then create an account. So all the way you have to go and step by step process. After login you have to visit there. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box. And don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.